So we got this product from Amazon. It's a dust mite cleaner. I believe the company is called JIGOO. So here's the machine. It's got a power cord. Bit of a space age design here. The top of it has a display unit, but it tells you if it's on, off, and what type of mode it's in. And this is the on-off switch right here. And on the bottom, you have these red things are the lock for the base bottom plate. It's got rollers right here, like a traditional vacuum. And right here is a ultraviolet light, which I believe kills the dust mites. And right there is what's called a ultrasonic generator. Now, this is the dust cup right here. Right here is the switch to release it, like that. And that's the dust cup where the dust accumulates. And to get it out after you're done, you just press this button and the lid comes off. And then put the lid back on, like that, and then push it back in here. It snaps. Okay, let's go kill some dust mites. So this is what I'm going to be de-dust miting today. This big long couch, this little side chair part of the couch, and all these cushions that go on the couch. Okay, so here's the device. When the light is green, you keep going, but when the light turns red, you stop, and then you let it suck up, the dust mites there, and then it will turn green, and then you keep going. It's all green, red. So you just keep it flat. You don't angle it or anything. You just keep it flat as you're going. Let's just continue. Red. Finished just the top of the ottoman. So this is kind of what I've got here, as you can see. So now I'm just going to continue with all the other, cushions of the couch, and then I'll show you what's in the canister. So I just finished using the dust mite cleaner on all the cushions, and look at that. Look at all the dust and dust mites inside that dust that it picked up. So now we do the maintenance afterwards. So now we're just going to open up the canister from the back, take off the lid, and just dump it out into the trash. Then I'm going to take this filter here, and then inside the filter is one of those squishy styrofoam, pads. And then I'm going to take this out, wash the filter, let it dry completely, and then put it back in the canister. Okay, so I'm just going to put that squishy pad in there. Very good. Squeeze, get all the dust out. Get as much water out as possible. And then I'm just going to set it over here and let it dry. And then do the same thing for the canister. Swish it around, swish it around. And then let that part dry. And then take the lid and the big canister here. Just soak them. Take that out. Take that out. Okay, gonna let that all dry. and once they're dry, we'll put it back together. So the next step in the after-use maintenance is to clean the brush roller right there. So in order to do that, you see these red tabs? We're just going to press one up, pull it out from this side, press the other one up, and that falls out. And then we're going to take out the roller. Down at this end, we've got a little groove. Pull it out, and now I'm just going to use a disinfectant wipe. I'm just going to wipe it, each little section. I mean, it's not really dirty that badly. Okay, so that's good enough. And then there's a little bit of dust still inside the window right there. So I'm just going to take a disinfectant wipe and kind of wipe that out, the dust out. And then the last thing, you see this screen there? That's a little window for the ultraviolet light that goes through it. So they just recommend to wipe that before you use it the next time. But I'm just going to wipe it right now. And so then we'll just put the roller back in. There's a groove there, so we're going to put the end that fits in the groove right there. But first, you see, right on this side, there's a little nub. So we're going to take this part here, fit it into the nub, and then slide the groove end in. Okay, so now that's in. And then we're going to put the plate back on. See these 4 little tabs here? They're going to go right in these 4 slots. So just going to put that in like that, press it back, and now it's all done. So now that we've cleaned the bottom roller and put it back in, I'm now going to put the canister back in. The filter here is all dry now. And so I'm going to put this back into its small canister here like that. And then we're going to take this large canister and put it in the side with the gasket right there. Put it in like that, it's firm. And then we're going to take the top here, right there. Now the top that says JIGOO, it's going to go on the opposite side of where these holes are. These holes connect to the machine. So we're just going to turn it around like that and put the lid on right here. And it clicks into place right here, like that. Okay, and then these connecting squares are going to connect to this part here. And there's a couple grooves right in here. So the bottom is going to just fit right into the grooves. Just turn it like that. Fits into the grooves and then snaps into place. And now it's ready to be stored. Thank you for watching.